keep it coming down the chute.
Hit that section with the vibrator now.
Okay, bring it up past the wall. A little higher. All right, easy down now. Almost there. A little higher. Okay, got it. Hand me the mallet and some shims.
Bring the tarpaulins over here. Hurry up, the mortar is getting soaked.
A little more to the north. All right, open the chute.
Unclip the boards on this side. Okay, sending them down. All right, men, slowly now, lift it up. Secure the top hinge first. Perfect, swings well.